Hey, my name is Ralph and I'm a Flexfilm, and I want to wish all my viewers, subscribers, and customers happy holidays. Thank you so much. I hope my videos are helping make you guys better window film installers. I also want you guys to know that in 2019, Flexfilm has some really cool stuff brewing. I am also going to ramp up my videos. I'm going to do more than I've ever done before. The feedback is overwhelming. We really do appreciate you guys. Just remember, don't forget to subscribe. And please, if you have any video ideas or comments below, I would love to read them. I always read every one of them personally myself. See you in 2019.